I thought to myself, what type of course would I really want to take as an undergrad? And I was thinking, you know what, an island biology class taught on an island would be pretty hard to beat. So we are on Seahorse Key. It's a little island in the Gulf of Mexico, about an hour west of Gainesville, Florida. So the study of islands has become more and more, I think, relevant over the recent few years. Plants and animals, organisms in general, just do strange things. Islands don't follow the rules of the mainland, right? It's not a semester-long course, it's a 10-day field class, so in that regard it's unique. We're able to do the whole thing off-site on an island, right? I don't know of any other class at UF or anywhere else where really students are offered that sort of opportunity. So we're living on an island doing the course, learning about islands and how weird and wonderful islands are around the world. And not only that, but living on an island that has a laboratory and all the facilities available there, and also dorming in a historic pre-Civil War era lighthouse, which is pretty amazing. One of the most important benefits to a class like this is actually being out here, working in the field, experiencing the challenges and the joys of working in nature, being around nature, surrounded by nature. And not only are the students out here doing field work, collecting data, they're doing research. And so the students have to think about questions, make observations by just exploring the island and the environment that they're in. So this is an opportunity for them to get their feet wet with a research project of their own, even if it's very small, while being immersed in one of the pristine areas of Florida.